All right. For this next, the next couple slides is you are going to be completing on the PowerPoint. And so this is what you are going to do. This first slide, you are going to answer the questions in your own words, complete sentences, based on your results from your experiment, okay? So the first part, compare the drop height to the height the ball bounced for each trial, okay? So when you held the ball out, all right, you did this 3 times for each ball, okay? You held it out, let's say, you're 4 feet. So 4 feet high is where you drop the ball from. If the ball dropped from 4 feet, okay, where your hands were holding the ball, how high did the ball bounce? What did you notice each time you dropped the ball? Okay. And do that for the first ball and the second ball. Then the next part, when you were doing this experiment, at what point does the ball have kinetic energy? Okay. And at what point does the ball have potential energy? All right. If you need to go back and see what the difference is between kinetic and potential, that's going to help you answer the question. How are potential energy and kinetic energy related to the bouncing ball? Compare the heights the smaller ball bounced, or the second ball, bounced to the heights of the bigger ball or the first ball bouncing. What can you determine? Why do you think you got the results you got? Right? And then what did you notice when you dropped the smaller ball on top of the basketball? What did you notice when the 2 balls bounced at the same time, right? One on top of each other. Write your results on this slide. The next slide. Now you're going to take 2 pictures, all right? Each picture has potential and kinetic energy examples for each picture, all right? Some have more potential, some have more kinetic. I want to see what all you can come up with. For example, I'll do the first one with you, all right? So if we look at these 2 astronauts standing on the moon, up here are stars, and here is a Martian in a spaceship, all right? Potential energy. Well, we've got 2 astronauts, and they're standing still. They're not moving, all right? They're not waving. They're just standing still. So I would put, for under potential energy, 2 astronauts standing still. Done. When I look at kinetic energy, there are many different types of kinetic energy. First of all, we have light coming from reflecting off of the stars. That's kinetic energy. And we have this spaceship that has some kind of fuel inside of it, and it is floating, so that is kinetic energy. So see what all you can come up with for potential and kinetic for each one of these pictures. You will do these on the PowerPoint, write down your answers, and then go to the next activity.